Now here is a snapshot of some other stories this past week right here in the San Gabriel Valley. First, Pasadena police are looking for the public's help in keeping car burglaries down in the area. They provide a few simple tips, including closing your window and locking your car door, parking in well-lit places, and removing valuable items from visible places in the car. For more information about that, you can go to the website, the police website, or call the Neighborhood Services Unit at 626-744-4551. That's 626-744-4551. More than 1,000 women from around the Pasadena area will converge on the Tournament of Roses house very soon. They'll be trying out for Rose Queen and the Rose Court. Auditions are scheduled for Saturday, September 18th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Monday, September 20th from 3 to 5 p.m. The Queen and Rose Princesses will reign over the Rose Parade and Rose Bowl game in January. This year's theme, Building Dreams, Friendships, and Memories. Well, it was absolutely gorgeous weather for the past couple of weeks. Will it stay that way? CCN meteorologist Curtis Peak is here live to tell us more. How's it looking, Curtis?
I tell you what, it's absolutely gorgeous outside today.
Yeah.
This afternoon is going to be beautiful.
Good.
Everybody, let's get you going outside right now. We have a beautiful view of our Mount Wilson Observatory right now with the San Gabriel Mountains in the background right there. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous today. Right now, the temperature outside is 81 degrees. Our winds are out of the south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Our barometric pressure is holding at 29.84, and our dew point is 59 degrees. And also, look at our sunset this afternoon. It's going to be at 7:02 p.m. and our sunrise tomorrow morning at 6:35 a.m. Okay, here's our weather headlines. We do have a weak offshore flow that's going right now, and our temps right now, like I said earlier, they are seasonal. Absolutely gorgeous. Not like they were about 3 weeks ago, 104, 105, but absolutely gorgeous. In the afternoons, get out there and go for a walk. In the mornings, we will have AM clouds, AM fog, but things will begin to burn off around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. But as the day goes on, the sun does come out. It will be beautiful. As we take a look at our satellite radar right now, here is that high that we have sitting over in Arizona that's giving us this weak onshore, I should say offshore flow that's giving us our cooler temps. And you take a look at the Pacific Ocean right there, it's bringing in that early morning fog. That fog will come back as the day does progress on, as the night does come along. Okay, we take a look right now at our neighborhood lows right now. As we take a look, it's 50s and 60s across the board. Tonight, 61 in Pasadena, 60 in Altadena, and 55 in Arcadia. Here are our highs for tomorrow. As we take a look, 80s across the board. Warm spot tomorrow. Pasadena is going to be at 86 degrees. Altadena 85. The rest of the cities are checking in at 80s also across the board. And Arcadia 86 degrees. Okay, we take a look at our 7-day forecast right here. Like I said earlier, we are going to have those AM clouds most of the week. Thursday is going to be a really nice day, sunny at 88 degrees. Our warmest day so far that we're going to have during the week. But look at our weekend, 85 degrees, 86 degrees. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at the nights in the 50s and in the 60s. So while we get this weather, when we do get this weather, we should enjoy it because you know what? This is Southern California and it's absolutely beautiful right now. So enjoy the fall-like weather while we have it.
Yeah, this is why I think people move to Southern California is for weather like this. I know it had to do for me, you know.
Same here also. And I have to say, I love your blue. It matches my tie.
Thank you. Great minds. Thinking alike today,
well,
I think.
All
yeah.
right.
Well, it goes with the blue, beautiful skies out there.
Right. Thank you,
Curtis. We do have more news ahead. Fire department and emergency disaster coordinators want you to please register and prepare for disaster. We'll show you how when James Weckerly goes on camera with me. That's next on CCN Crown City News. Your news, your neighborhood. Don't go away.